Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to hit on removing Munki and verifying that it's been removed because it can't tell you. So I just had a client that I needed to offboard and remove Munki and Munki Report from those devices. And when removing Munki, Munki can't tell you whether or not it's on the device anymore. Munki Report can't tell you because it's gone. You may have another tool, but when you're offboarding a client, you likely don't have that software sitting on the device either. So what I did was I figured out how to use Slack. So we're going to jump in and take a peek at how to use Slack to send you a Slack message when Munki and Munki Report are removed. So jumping in to Slack's API information, we need to create an incoming webhook or a Slack app if you don't already have one. So the upside is you can just use the create your Slack app button. I have one right here. We can go ahead and do it from scratch. We'll name it YT remove Munki, and then select a workspace. I've already been signed into Slack, so select your Slack workspace and create app. And then what you need to do is use incoming webhooks and activate incoming webhooks. And then you'll have a sample curl request, but what you need to do is to go ahead and hit add new webhook to workspace. You want to say where you want it posted, and I've gone ahead and created a remove Munki channel. You can create any channel you like. So we'll use the channel YT remove Munki. We'll choose allow, and as you can see, I just had in that channel that I added an integration to that channel. So what I would suggest you do is hit copy, and you'll get your webhook URL. And what you can do is throw that in a script. So we'll jump into a version of the script that I wrote to remove Munki. I mean, I found it, but I tweaked it for my own needs. So first we'll look at my Slack test and what I'm doing here. So this is, and we'll quick hard wrap everything, rewrap it. So this is my webhook URL, and what we could do is go ahead and play with that webhook URL and tie it to this curl command. So we'll quick Command X and then tweak it out with. So now if I were to run this script, what it's going to do is it's taking the network setup get computer name. So it's going to tell me what the computer name is of this macOS device, set it as the variable of my host. Then it's going to run a curl command to post the content, which is an application or JSON, and text of my host, which is the variable here. And then it says Munki and Munki Report are removed. That's all I want it to say, because Slack gives me a time frame on when it removed Munki and Munki Report. And because it's pulling the variable, you know whose device it got removed from. So we'll go ahead and open a terminal window. So now we want to run Slack test. And as you can see, well, it did not post it to the appropriate. There we go. So now if I rerun it, so don't hard wrap your script here because it does not like the hard wrap, but you can see we have Munki and Munki Report are removed. So where does that help you? What does that do for you? Well, what I did is I created a post install script, and you can run this however you like. I found this from Jack Daniel Strong, JD Strong Consulting, and Strong Solutions. He did a YouTube video, which I will add, where he used Munki at his service bench to update apps and update macOS so that his techs could be faster updating devices and get through more devices at their service desk. But he also needed a way to remove Munki when he was done because he wasn't using Munki in a managed services aspect. So I took his script and then tweaked it for myself. So most of this is his work. I want to give him all that credit, but the little pieces that are mine are, again, the my host, and for some reason, this script doesn't remove the manage installs plist in library. So I have gone ahead and done a defaults write to write a software repo URL of nothing, but nothing. It's not going to matter because we've already gotten rid of and unloaded our launch daemon for Munki. It's removed managed software update or managed software center, those app files. We've removed, again, the launch daemon, the launch agent, the manage installs folder, which holds the cache of all of the cached packages that were on the device. We're removing this variable of managed installs, which is library preferences managed installs. Again, I don't know why it didn't remove the plist. I could dig in deeper, but it's worked great for me thus far. We're also removing the user local Munki directory, and then etc paths.d/Munki. Again, we're rewriting our software URL repo, and then forgetting the Munki admin package, Munki app core, and launch D packages. And then I go ahead and I told Munki report as a test. I haven't removed it, but it was supposed to tell Munki report what's the state, so I could look up and see, is Munki on the device, is it not? I probably could add a pause of like 3 minutes here, and it would probably let Munki report know what's going on. I gave up on that. That's where this Slack piece comes in. So what we do is we're removing Munki report with removing the Munki report folder and the Munki report, the two directories, and we remove the post-flight script, because that's a Munki script for Munki report and report broken client. We remove the Munki report plist file, which is a preference file. We also remove the package receipt from Munki report, unload the launch daemon, and remove the launch daemon, and then basically saying, hey, Slack, I'm done. Please let whoever know who needs to know that I'm done. And then I had set it up that Munki would drop this script into temp and call it post-install.sh, which it would then run it from the package that dropped it in there, so that way this script could self-destruct. So that's my long-winded way of showing you how I let myself know that Munki is no longer on the device. If that former client comes back and says, hey, I think you're still managing all my stuff, I can either point to, well, yeah, it didn't run on your machine, something's wrong, here's what you can run, and we'll get it off, or no, you're wrong, and here's the proof I have. So use it as you will. I will have my script linked to my GitHub page here down in the description. And if you've liked this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking that thumbs up button, and clicking the bell icon for notifications on when I post more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.